I'm sure that if you clicked on this video, it's because you want to learn how to start the right way with faceless content. And maybe you already have some experience, but you want to understand this type of content better, or learn more about this niche that has been growing more and more over the past few years. If that sounds like you, stay with me in this video. I'll show you exactly how I organize my 6 faceless channels and, at the same time, how you can start the right way, save time, and get results faster with this type of content. So get ready, because in this video, you're going to learn practical strategies and tips that really work in real-life content creation. Maybe one of the video formats that has gained the most attention in recent years is faceless content. And that's no coincidence. Many people have a wrong idea about this type of content. They think it's an easy way to grow online, but the reality is quite different. Traditional videos where you appear on camera, set up lighting, sound, background, clothing, microphone, and facial expressions require planning, skill, and attention to detail. Yes, they are time-consuming. But that doesn't mean faceless content is a magic solution that works by itself. Faceless content is indeed simpler to produce. You don't have to appear on camera, you can automate narration or use text-to-speech, and still create high-quality videos with images, scripts, and narration. However, it doesn't guarantee instant results, and success depends on strategy, consistency, and content quality. Even though it's easier than traditional videos, you still need to understand your audience, choose topics with demand, maintain regular posting, and apply techniques that really work. The good news is that starting the right way makes all the difference. And that's exactly what I'm going to share, based on my experience managing 6 active faceless channels efficiently. First tip, don't get discouraged. Even though faceless content is simpler to produce, it's not a shortcut to instant growth. Results may take weeks or months to appear, and that's normal. Patience, discipline, and persistence are essential. Most people quit within days or weeks because they expect immediate success. They post a few videos, don't go viral, and assume it doesn't work. The problem isn't the format, it's unrealistic expectations. If you understand that effort, planning, and consistency are required for meaningful results, you're already ahead of 90% of beginners. This mindset alone is a huge advantage. Second tip, quality and quantity go hand in hand. Many creators focus on just one side. Either they post a lot of content without care, or they create perfect videos but post rarely. The key is balance. Quantity increases your reach, boosts your chances of going viral, and keeps you visible. Quality keeps viewers engaged, increases watch time, and strengthens your brand. When both work together, growth becomes consistent and sustainable. Never ignore one for the other. Third tip, organization and optimization are essential. To save time and work efficiently, use tools that automate or speed up your workflow. Here's what I personally use. ChatGPT for video ideas, planning, and script structuring. StoryZ AI for detailed scripts, ready-made narration, and image prompts. Midjourney to create high-quality images that enhance narrated videos. CapCut for fast, practical, and professional-looking editing. MLabs for monthly post scheduling to maintain consistency across multiple channels. These tools save hours of work every week and allow me to maintain multiple channels efficiently. Fourth tip, leverage short-form videos. Most content consumption and virality today happen in short-form videos like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Even if you produce longer videos, you can cut strategic clips and turn them into short content. These clips act as showcases for your main videos, attracting new audiences and directing them to the full content. This way, you maximize the reach of every video without having to create completely new content for each platform. Fifth tip, know your value and your pace. Don't compare yourself to other creators. Don't be misled by someone else's results. Every channel, audience, and creator has their own pace. Value your effort, dedication, and process. If you apply all these tips and remain consistent, your results will naturally appear. The key is focus, persistence, and belief in your process. Faceless content is an incredible opportunity, but it works only for those willing to work, learn, and grow continuously. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope these tips help you organize your work, grow your channels, and achieve the results you want. See you next time.